Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the David Hunter Scott channel. This is episode number 8 of Programming with David, and today we're going to learn about something very special indeed. It's called headings. Now if you're making any sort of content on your website, you may want to actually give it a special title so that you're separating that specific bit of content from the other content on your page. So we're going to learn about headings today, which is exactly how you can do that. Let's take a look. So from my screen, as you can see, this is where we left off in yesterday's episode, where we learned about font colours. We're actually going to go to up here, above the first font tag that we put in, do a few lines. Remember I said that spacing does not matter at all, so we can do as many lines as we want. And in here we're going to do H1, and that's called heading 1, it's short for heading 1. We can also do H1 for the closing tag here, and just like that we can say, let's give it a title, let's say fonts, and save. So open up our browser and refresh. Now we've got fonts. The browser automatically makes it in larger font size, but we can customize that if we want to. So let's learn how we can actually make a really huge font, because this is going to be the title of our page, so we may want it to be quite a large font. So let's put in our font tag again. And let's do size equals, and we're going to say 10. Open up our browser and refresh. Now we've got really large font here as the title for our page. Excellent. What else can we do with headings? Well, let's just learn about the other headings we can use. So we've got fonts here. Let's just say here we're going to actually use heading number 3. There are 6 headings you can use, so H1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But we're only going to use heading 1 and heading 3 at the moment. So let's say that this I've just quickly put in this code for you folks so you guys can have a wee look and quickly see what it does. So we've got the heading 3 tag here, so everything inside heading 3 is going to get the default heading 3 applied. But we're also going to put the actual text of our title inside a font tag, so we can actually define a size. So in this case we're going to choose 6 as a size. I think is a good size. Let's choose 6 and we're going to say Arial font. It's like a subtitle. We're saying that this section of the page is about the Arial font. Let's put in the heading 3 tag again. And we might as well make it size 6 again, so it's the same. Say Verdana font. And now here we're going to do heading 3. And we're going to say the font size is going to be 3 once again, and we're going to call it browser default font. Save. Let's open up our browser again and refresh. Now we can easily see that we've got a subtitle here for Arial font, and we've got a subtitle for Verdana font. Now I've deliberately made a mistake here just to show you what can happen if you don't type things correctly. Now as you'll notice, this font tag down here, I've actually put the number 3 instead of the number 6. If you noticed that before I pointed it out, please comment below and let me know, and well done. but we're going to change this to a 6 now, just to show you that if you don't pay attention to the code you're typing, you could make a small mistake. And even though that isn't a mistake that's easily fixed, later on down the line when you're doing much more deeper encoding and stuff with lots of things going on, making one small mistake can actually make your whole thing crash. So it's important to always pay attention to your code. So that's what it actually is supposed to look like. We've got subtitles here for the different sections of the page. Well, I hope you managed to follow along with me correctly, folks, and I do hope you have fun with the different fonts, font sizes, font colours, and also headings. Let me know below if you've got any ideas for how we can use headings in our page, and I will come back to you with my comments. I'm trying to do these episodes daily, folks, so if you want to support the series and try and help me make daily videos, then you can go on to my Patreon page, patreon.com/David Hunter Scott. If you want early notification of when these episodes are going to come out, please follow me on Twitter at David Hunter Scott or at facebook.com/David Hunter Scott. You'll find all the latest updates on there. But that's it for today, folks. Please subscribe if you like these videos and want to see more, and press the wee bell icon so you get notified immediately of when these videos come out. So I will see you in the next episode, folks, which will be out on Tuesday at noon.